今天能够感受一下大家下班之后在生活中的可爱样子，我觉得这是一个很好的机会。
Rihanna.
Thank you so much, Elmore. You hired me.
Well, thank you so much. Take two.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, action.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Nairis Malenchon. I'm from the Philippines, and my students call me Nice, Teacher Nice. They said that I need to introduce myself. So I'm a licensed teacher, and I've been teaching for over 9 years already, and I'm passionate about teaching young kids, creating engaging and fun memories with them. And I'm happy that I'm part of LMK, and I'm so proud that I belong to this community.
Yeah!
I love LMK, and I am looking forward for an amazing journey ahead of us.
Yeah, congratulations! I love you there. You are the one. Come on. Baby, 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 oh. Baby, 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 oh. Hey, 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 hey. Go, Isa. Go, Isa.